Hey there! Have you ever wondered what really makes a relationship thrive? Today we're diving into a topic that influences our happiness and well-being. Healthy relationships, whether it's with friends, family, or partners. Understanding the foundations of trust, respect, and communication is essential. Stick around until the end for some powerful tips that can transform the way you connect with others. Understanding healthy relationships. Let's start by defining what a healthy relationship looks like. Every connection is unique, but certain qualities stand out. A healthy relationship is characterized by mutual respect, trust, and open communication. This means valuing each other's opinions, being honest, and feeling safe to share thoughts and feelings. Remember, a strong bond is built on these essential pillars. Takeaway. Healthy relationships empower everyone involved. The importance of trust. Now let's focus on trust, the cornerstone of every strong relationship. Building trust doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistency. Act with honesty and integrity. Be reliable, keep your promises, and always respect boundaries. Trust grows when both people feel secure and valued. When you trust someone, you create a safe space for vulnerability. Takeaway. Trust is the foundation for deep connections. Nurture it over time. Cultivating respect. Next, we have respect, an essential ingredient that allows relationships to flourish. Respecting each other's individuality means recognizing and valuing differences. Listen actively, appreciate each other's perspectives, and engage in respectful conversations. This kind of environment encourages openness and understanding. Takeaway. Respect fosters growth and connection in relationships. Always prioritize it. Mastering communication. Let's discuss communication, the heartbeat of healthy relationships. Clear and open communication is vital for understanding each other. Be honest about your feelings, and don't shy away from discussing concerns or conflicts. Use I statements to express your emotions without placing blame. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen," try, "I feel unheard when I'm interrupted." This small change can lead to better understanding. Takeaway. Open communication strengthens relationships. Don't underestimate its power. Conclusion. Remember, building healthy relationships takes effort, but the joy and support they bring are worth it. Now that you know the importance of trust, respect, and communication, share this video with your friends and start meaningful conversations together. What's one thing you've learned about healthy relationships today? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Together, we can create a community that values healthy connections and understanding. Thank you for watching, and always remember, healthy relationships are the key to a fulfilling life.